Ever wonder how store rewards actually work? Let's break down the mechanics behind your favorite loyalty programs. At their core, these programs are just incentives designed to change your shopping habits in exchange for small perks. Most programs offer between 1 and 3% back in value. It is rarely a massive discount, but it adds up over time. Retailers track what you buy to personalize offers, while points and tiers create psychological reasons to stick with one brand. You generally choose between the simplicity of direct cash or the potential higher value of points, which can fluctuate over time. Consistent usage builds value, but remember that the true cost is the extra spending you might do just to earn those rewards. The golden rule is simple. If you are buying things you do not need just for the points, you are losing money. Loyalty programs can be great if used correctly. Thanks for watching, and stay smart with your spending habits.